He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to stay.
Are you out of your mind?
The energy is a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
Really? That's hysterical. What if it hits more than one cutout? Then what do they do? That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I did see it was for charity. Yeah. That's pretty funny. Eddie Matthews. That's another cool one. Eddie Matthews. There's a Yamaguchi. Gavin Lux. So this is Glenn Mailman, by the way. Glenn Mailman. After that is Jay Crow is up next. Jake Rogers is the auto. Montes Acuna. Howie Kendrick. Kyle Tucker. Foil. Go with all those other Kyle Tucker parallels we've hit. Matt Olson. Matt Olson to 199. Yeah, I know. I agree with you. If they didn't turn those around, they'd be kind of hard to spot for sure. Toronto Blue Jays. James Marvel. Keston foil. That's a cool card. Ricky Henderson and Lewis Robert. Uh-oh. We are out. Okay. Albert Pujols, Lewis Robert, Kyle Seager, and Fernando Tatis. Justin Verlander. Alex Bregman's a cheater. Jonathan Hernandez. Jim Palmer. Sonny Gray and Pete Alonso. There's a Lewis Robert. Not a parallel or anything, but that's the first time I've seen it as the first card. I don't go looking for them, you know. They're in here, but I don't go looking for them. But if I find it, I'm going to sleeve it for you. Will Myers to 50. Mother's Day. I don't know if they actually call that Mother's Day or if they call it breast cancer awareness or what they call it. But Francisco Lindor. Oh no, I ship every single card. There's nothing left for me. Giancarlo. Padres, Trevino, Mike Trout, Ricky Henderson, and Vladdy. All right, last jumbo pack. I don't think this is a bad product. I mean, there's a lot of rookies, inside these base cards. You never know who's going to... Oh, Mike Trout, home run challenge. That's pretty cool. Mike Trout, home run challenge. I like it. Trey Mancini and Bo Bichette. All right, that is Glenn Mailman. He's still got some silver packs, though. Let's see what's in there. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Got Chicago White Sox from the 50s and John Lester. And 2 silver packs. Molina, Matt Chapman, Isan Diaz, and Justin Verlander. And last one. Roberto Clemente, Masahiro Tanaka, Chipper Jones. All right, so nobody in your silver packs. I mean, there were some nice cards, but no parallels, no autos. You do have Eddie Matthews, John Lester, White Sox, Bo Bichette. I like the Mike Trout home run challenge. I don't know. Giancarlo, Will Myers to 50, Lewis Robert, that's a base card, but, Lewis Robert insert, Jake Rogers, Matt Olson, and Gavin Lux. So there were some really nice cards in there. But for some reason, for me, I just really like that. I really like that home run challenge Mike Trout card. Don't ask me why. I feel like that's a cool card. You only got 60 games, so... All right, saving your video. Oh, I've got the spinning wheel on YouTube. Let me refresh that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember.
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
This has been a production of CFB TV.